welcome to the Shelley Studio, and today I am doing a collaboration between Gina Ahrens Designs and Shannon Green. So I'll be using Gina's products in Shannon's custom keeper. So I needed to fill it, so I created a few signatures, and what I love about her custom keeper is you don't have to stitch those signatures together. You just fold them in there and slip them through the elastic and they stay. They're wonderful. So I'm just going to create a page using Gina's stamps. I think this is number 13, Wild Heart. I will put it in the description box so you know which one it is exactly, because I can't think of it at the moment. I'm not very prepared for this voiceover. Alright, so I decided I wanted to trap something in that mason jar, so we're gonna stick the mason jar on there, and I was thinking I would put that down as, you know, a guide to where I wanted to put my colors, and then I'd stamp over it. But I couldn't line it up. After I put the color on, I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna stamp it again. And it works okay. It looks fine. And I am using Dina Wakley paints. And this one is lemon. So, in case you're new to my channel, we are doing 3 projects that are a collaboration between Gina Ahrens and Shannon Green. And it's Gina Ahrens Design Team, and their links to their projects will be in the description box below. You can also search the hashtags that are in the title, and they will you'll be able to find the other videos, because we've already done one 2 months ago where we decorated our custom keepers, and then this one, and then there'll be another one, I believe not until August. So make sure you subscribe, click the bell, so you'll get a reminder when videos go up. Nice plug for myself, right? Anyway, so the blue, I was thinking sky, so the sky is captured inside this jar. I don't know what I was thinking, but I was just having fun. And the left side of the page, I just decided to use my leftover paint and stenciled that yellow. That's also Gina Ahrens Design stencil. And I'll have a link to her store, her Etsy store, below, along with the links to the other designers. And I'm sure, at the time of this voiceover I don't have it, but I'm sure there will be a discount code for both Etsy stores, both Shannon's and Gina's. So I'll put those down below as well, so you can go shop and see what there is. There's lots more at Shannon Green's than just the custom keepers. She has some great stencil brushes, which I don't end up using here. I should have used one. Well, I think I've already done the next project, so I can't even demo it because it's done. But if you watch my other videos, you'll see me using it, because I love that stencil brush. And again, just using up the extra paint. So you get 2 pages for the price of 1 when you're cleaning up the paint, right? So I'm adding a little bit more to the yellow background because I really wanted to use Dina Wakley's cheddar color paint. I'm just really liking it right now. I don't know why, because I'm not a huge fan of orange, but maybe it's because it reminds me of summer, and summer's just getting into the swing here, and it's getting plenty hot. It'll get a lot hotter, and then I'll want it to be fall. Isn't that how it always works? You always want what's next. or what somebody else has. So yeah, this is a pretty simple page, but I wanted, you know, a little bit more going on in the background. I'm trying to be conservative on that paint, but you can't see it, it's off to the side, but it's just little teeny dots that I'm putting down. And of course this is Gina's stencil as well. So now, might as well use what's left of the paint and do something on the left side. So I'm going to have 2 pages done for the price of 1. Oh, ran out of the paint. Got to put a little more on. I think I end up getting too much. I know you can't see it. And then I have to put it on another piece of paper, but I don't show that part. Oh, and just a warning, you know, stencils aren't perfect, and you need to watch that M had a piece still in it, and just cut it off carefully. You don't want to pull on it because you don't want to mess it up. So we are going to capture a bird in the jar. So I've stamped one on some cardstock, and then I'm going to stamp one inside the jar. There we go. And then I'm going to trim around the one that I've stamped on the white, because I want that white, or I want a lighter color body. So do that, and then I debate whether or not I want to color it. So I decide eventually that, yeah, we're going to color this bird, and we're going to do it in lime green. There we go. Almost looks yellow right there. I'm gonna glue that on, just using the Tombow Mono Aqua. Anyways, I like the fine tip on that glue. And I just want to make sure it doesn't squish out so I don't go clear to the edges. It's cardstock, so I wanted to use a glue rather than just a glue stick because I wasn't sure it would hold. Ink around the edges. I like to have a border. And I decided his eyes need to be white. This is just a jelly roll pen. It's not the greatest. I have to pull it up and look at it. Is it white? Do my eyes deceive me? Okay, it's white enough. Enough that you can tell. Put a little streak in the glass. I decide I want a little bit more blue around the edges. Probably should have left it as it is right now, but no, I decide I want to try the little, you know, shading thing. This part goes okay, but then this top part, yeah, I get a little too much there, see? Ugh. Guess it's not too horrible. It's just going into my art journal, so it's alright. Not fine art. It's just fun art. Just for fun art. There we go. So we've captured our bird in our jar. Now we need to put it back into the custom keeper. So I'm just going to slide it in there. And there we have it. Yay! So I hope you like that. Don't forget to check out the links below and see everybody's projects, see what they're creating in their custom keeper. And if you did like it, please hit like, feel free to share, comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.